The stage is set for the battle of prestige in Bengal's Nandigram. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is returning to Nandigram for the first time since the TMC released its list of 291 candidates on Friday. At around 3 p.m, she's scheduled to hold a meeting with party workers in the constituency, thereby officially launching her campaign in Nandigram. This contest is being seen as the biggest one in the Bengal election. Mamata is pitted against a former confidant, Shubhendu Adhikari, who's been named the BJP candidate from Nandigram. Shubhendu has exuded confidence of his win, saying that Mamata might be occupying a big post, but she's not a mass leader. While Mamata is filing her nomination tomorrow from this constituency, Shubhendu will do the same on Friday.
আমি নন্দীগ্রামে লড়ছি। আমি যখন কথা দিই কথা রাখি, কিন্তু এবারে আমি ভবানী ভুক্তা আমার সহকর্মী শোভনদেব চট্টোপাধ্যায়, তার বাড়ি এখানে, তিনি বক্সিং ক্লাব থেকে শুরু করে এপাড়ায় মানুষ হয়েছেন। আমি নন্দীগ্রাম থেকেই দাঁড়াবো।
আপনারা এই সিট জিতাবেন আর আমি চললাম নন্দীগ্রামে মাননীয়াকে হারিয়ে কলকাতা ফেরত পাঠাতে হবে। ফেরত পাঠাতে হবে কলকাতা। এই গুরু দায়িত্ব বিজেপি দিয়েছে, আমি পালন করব যে লক্ষণ সেনকে হারাতে পারে, সুশান্ত ঘোষকে হারাতে পারে, কিষেনজিকে অতীত করতে পারে, সে শুভেন্দু অধিকারী নন্দীগ্রামও পারবে। আমি তো নন্দীগ্রামের ভূমিপুত্র, আমি তো মাটির ছেলে, আর উনি হলেন অতিথি। 5 বছর অন্তর অন্তর তার নন্দীগ্রামের কথা মনে পড়ে।
And while addressing his first rally at Kolkata's iconic Brigade Parade Ground, this was on Sunday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took a jibe at West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, saying that a scooty is destined to fall in Nandigram.
जब आपकी स्कूटी भवानीपुर जाने के बाद बदल नंदीग्राम की तरफ मुड़ गई, अब दीदी हम तो हर किसी का भला चाहते, हम नहीं चाहते किसी को चोट आए, लेकिन जब स्कूटी ने नंदीग्राम में गिरना तय किया है तो हम क्या करें।
Everyone's talking about the battle for Nandigram, and it's very, very important for both Mamata as well as Shubhendu Adhikari. Let's tell you why it's important for Mamata first. Well, her rise to power, her political narrative began in Nandigram with the agitation that she had held. She had protested against the left's land acquisition movement in Nandigram. This stir essentially helped mold Mamata's image as being pro-farmer. It also created a strong connect with the region's natives, which she still enjoys till date. What about Shubhendu Adhikari? Why is this so important for him? Well, the fact is that Shubhendu Adhikari has a huge connect with Nandigram. It's been his stronghold seat. He won in 2016 from this constituency with 67% of the votes. Remember, he'd contested on a TMC ticket then. He reportedly also scripted this entire Nandigram land battle chapter for Didi. And he also rose to the limelight after that very campaign, which is why he's time and again been referred to as Mamata's right-hand man, as Mamata's aide. Let's take this across to Poulomi Saha. She's joining us live from Nandigram, the seat that everyone's talking about. Poulomi, with so much at stake for both sides, for both Mamata as well as Shubhendu, there's going to be a lot of focus on what their campaign is going to be like. It's going to be a high decibel one, and there's no doubt that Mamata and Shubhendu will look to camp as much as possible in Nandigram in the days to come.
Absolutely. It will be extremely critical, this campaign, for both the contenders in the fray, Mamata Banerjee and Shubhendu Adhikari. It's not going to be an easy one to call, Akshata. It's not going to be a walkover for either of the candidates. They'll have to put all of their might and muscle and their star power, if you may, into this election in order to sway the voters towards them. So clearly both are going to try and spend as much time as possible. Mamata Banerjee obviously possibly lesser than Shubhendu Adhikari, because she is going to campaign across the length and breadth of West Bengal. She is the star mascot for the Trinamool Congress, so she will be spending a lot of time campaigning across the state. So this is in fact something that she referred to when she announced her candidature from Nandigram in the month of January, when she had said that, you know, because I am the candidate for the Trinamool Congress in 294 assembly constituencies, I will be out and about a lot. So I trust you, the people of Nandigram, to watch my back and ensure my success and win in the assembly elections in Nandigram. So clearly indicating that she won't be able to spend as much time, but the TMC is of course making preparations for it. Today of course she will be addressing a workers meeting this afternoon, a public meeting, and then of course there is that space that the TMC has in fact rented for Mamata Banerjee, which will turn into her residence cum office in Nandigram itself. So that is being prepared right now for Mamata Banerjee, so that whenever she stays and campaigns in Nandigram, she can stay there itself. Shubhendu Adhikari of course will be campaigning across the Midnapur districts and of course in Nandigram. It's a high stakes battle for both contenders.
And
Akshata,
both of them seem to be kicking off their campaign at the get-go. They're starting it off in a few days from now. Mamata will be in Nandigram in hours from now. Poulomi, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Another development that's come in from Bengal. Everyone's also talking about actor Mithun Chakrabarti. He joined the BJP on Sunday, but he's unlikely to contest the Bengal polls. According to sources, Mithun has expressed unwillingness to contest the elections. The actor, however, will extensively campaign for the BJP. Mithun joined the BJP in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at a huge rally on Sunday. In fact, belting out a very popular dialogue from one of his Bengali movies. While joining the BJP, Mithun Chakrabarti said that his dream had come true of sharing a stage with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The 70-year-old actor was a Rajya Sabha MP, interestingly, for the Trinamool Congress for 2 years. He resigned from the position in 2016, citing health reasons. He was a brand envoy of Sharada Group, and that put him under the scanner. He had returned 1.2 crore rupees contract money to the ED after the Ponzi scam had surfaced. TMC on Friday had released a very star-studded candidate list. It featured several new faces that had actors, sportsmen, former IPS officers and writers. They've all been given a chance.
আমার নাম মিঠুন চক্রবর্তী, আমি যা বলি তা করে দেখাই। আমি একটা কোবরা, গোখরো আমি।
And here's an excerpt of an exclusive conversation that we also had with Mithun Chakrabarti soon after he joined the BJP.
It's a big decision, but how did this come about?
First of all, that big day for politics, then, sorry, I have not joined it for politics because I do not understand Rajniti. I believe in Manusha Niti. Manav Niti mein believe karta hu main. And my thinking always goes towards that. I know people are talking pehle extremist ke saath tha, fir Subhas Da ke saath. But if you look at the scenario, I've been with Jyoti Basu, I have been with Subhas Da because they are for the people. I do not have political ambitions, but for the sake of the people of Bengal, if I have to take a plunge in a bigger way, I'll do it.
You really think Modi ji can make a difference to Bengal?
He's making a difference to the not only India, but if you are really open up, then he has done a lot of difference in the world even, as one of the biggest leaders.
What is going to be your role in the BJP then? Will you fight this election? That's the big question.
Right now, that is from the above, they will tell me, I'll follow that.
You're open to that idea?
Anything they say. And right now, I'm going to campaign for them, as many as them they want me to do.
Many are saying that possibly you can be the prospective chief ministerial candidate. Is there something in your mind?
In my mind, how dare I do? But it is a protocol of the top leaders, and I will not break that protocol. Because we have leaders like Dilip Da, Kailash ji and others, all big leaders. They have made BJP what they are today.
Where is your ideological positioning, your personal?
Now, tell me one thing. Do we not have the same language? Every party talks about the poor people. Whether it is the extremist, communist, whether Trinamool or BJP or anybody. But wherever is the genuine stand, they will win. But ideology is the same, to do something for the poor people. And I follow the same rule.
He says all those BJP leaders are outsiders, who are coming.
I do not know. Let them. I see, this is the talk between the two big leaders. And I'm not a leader. So I don't want to get into this and talk this bad, this bad. I don't believe in this. किसी के बारे में बुरी बात करता नहीं.
Message to Mamata Banerjee.
Good luck to everyone.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.